Adrian, this is looking really good.
Thanks, Corey. Thanks, Tony.
Tony and Corey here, your Weekend Warriors, and today we are with Adrian Polscharski with Danner Construction, and we're checking out the installation of this new aluminum louvered patio cover that you've introduced to the Pacific Northwest. Tell us a little bit about this setup. It's really sleek looking.
It is, thanks. The system is designed to give you protection if the weather's inclement weather, if we're getting rain or even snow or whatever. It will protect your patio area, in this case the hot tub area and so forth, or your outdoor kitchen area. But if the weather's nice, then the louvers pivot and they open up basically at about 170 degrees, so you get to see the blue sky, you get to see the moon, you get to see the stars, you get to see the sun. So when it's nice, it opens, you're wide open. But if it's not so nice, it closes down and enables you to be able to use your space more than just 90 days out of the year. Instead of just June, July, and August, you can use your outdoor living space basically 12 months during the year. Today our activity was to get the footings installed, and in this case we had dug out the appropriate footings and we used a sonotube. We also used gator bar, which is a lot like rebar, but it's much stronger. And we used gator bar in the system, again, to reinforce and give it the strength on it. And then we were able to take the posts, and the posts have bolts coming out of them, so they have little legs, 4 legs, one on each side, so that once it's in the concrete or in the mud, you know, setting up, it'll lock it down, so it will eliminate the likelihood of lift, you know, from the system, okay? So we set the posts were then attached to the outbound beams here, and again, they're connected so you can't have lift, so it's not going to fly like some umbrellas do. You know, if people have umbrellas out on their decks or patios and there's a gust of wind, they fly like a kite on the thing. So today, you know, that's what we did. We leveled it on the outside. We plumbed it back to the pitch that we needed to be able to evacuate the water correctly based on what we're doing with the system.
So when it's closed, it's completely waterproof.
That's correct. The system itself has a gutter system, internal gutter system all the way around. So in this case, this is basically a 8 by 12 system. So we have a rectangular and there are gutters all the way around, and the louvers, when they close, because they interlock and they act as a gutter themselves, and they'll move the water whichever way we want it to move. In this particular case, we're bringing the water back to the roof because we're doing a roof attachment here and then 2 outbound posts, as you can see. But we're bringing the water back and then disposing or evacuating the water down through the existing gutters and the existing downspout system that's on this particular home and house.
Well, thank you so much, Adrian, for coming out and explaining this really cool new system that you're installing here in the Pacific Northwest. Make sure you check us out next time. In the next video, we're going to be putting the louvers in this thing and really finishing it off. We're going to be following Adrian and how he's doing that. Questions and comments, you can leave those down below. Make sure you hit the like button.
This has been another episode of Your Weekend Warriors Home Improvement Show.
We'll see you next time.